Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to do multiplication facts using number line. We can also say multiplication with the jump method. So let's begin. But before we start, here meet my new friend Neeti. This is Neeti and she loves to watch cricket. Now one day she was watching a cricket match with her friends, and her father got these cans of juices for them. Now there were so many of them. There were one, two, three, four. Four juices in one pack. Each pack contains 4 cans. Now, Neeti wanted to find out how many packs were there and how many cans in total she had. So, let's help her. So, there were 5 packs of 4 cans. So, 5 packs of 4 cans, right? That is 4 added 5 times, or I can say 5 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can say it as 4 added 5 times or 5 times 4. So now 5 times 4 is same as 4 multiply 5, right? As we have done, repeated addition is also multiplication. So now we can find 4 multiply 5 using the multiplication table of 4. So 4 into 5, we already know that. But can I find 4 into 5 using a number line? We know how to calculate repeated addition, how to use multiplication table. But let's try to find out 4 multiply 5 using a number line. So what we have to do, let us see how I can do this multiplication on a number line. So I have a number line, begins with from 0 to 20, or it can be further. So how can I find 4 multiply 5? 4 multiply 5 means 5 times 4, right? It means 5 times 4, correct? That is 4 added to itself 5 times. Now, if I take 5 jumps on the number line, I'll get the answer, right? If I jump 5 times on this number line, I will get the answer. So, I need to take how many jumps? How do I know this? How many jumps I need? I need 5 jumps of 4. Yes. So, I need 5 jumps of 4, or you can say 5 steps. That is the steps, or the gap of the jumps will be 4. So the gap being 4, I need to take 5 jumps. So where do we start? I start from 0 and jumps of 4. That means I move 4 steps forward. So I'll start from 1. So I have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to go to 4 because I have to take 4 jumps forward. Correct? Now, so from 0, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, after the first jump, I come here. Now, I need to take my second jump. Again, the 4 step ahead once again. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll reach here on 8. This was my first jump. This was my second jump. Now I come here on 8 after 2 jumps. Again I need to take jump of 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I take the third step. This is my third jump and I reached 12, right? So I have taken 3 jumps, but how many jumps we need? We need 5 jumps. So let's move ahead. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'll reach 16, right? And another, this was the fourth jump. I need one more jump. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means we reach 20 on our fifth step. So 5 jumps of 4. As you can see, I have taken 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? So 5 jumps of 4, and after taking 5 jumps of 4, I come to 20. So the answer is 20. That means 4 multiplied 5 is equal to 20. So this is how you can multiply using a number line. 4 means the size or the length of the jump. The length of the jump, how many steps you have to take. And 5 means the number of jumps, how many number of jumps you need, right? So starting from 0, I have to come to 20, right? So you can check it using your multiplication table as well. Like 4 5s are, you can say the table of 4, or you can do repeated addition also. So 4 into 5 is indeed 20. That means you have taken 5 jumps of 4 steps, correct? So I hope you got this. Now let's do one more example so that you can be able to understand it more well. So here is another example. 5 multiplied 2 is equal to dash. So always remember the number 5, the number which comes first are the steps. It means you have to take 5 steps. And how many jumps you need? You need 2 jumps. So 2 is the number of jumps. So the number which comes first is the steps, and the number which is second is the number of jumps. So again, what we have to do, we have to start from 0. Starting from 0, I have to move 5 steps ahead. So 5 steps bring me, let's count where we will reach. We will start from 0, so 5 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means if I move 5 steps ahead, I'll reach 5, right? And we need, how many jumps we need? We need 2 jumps. So let's take one more jump of 5 steps. So count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So on my second jump, I'll reach at 10. So this was first and this was second. So I have taken 2 jumps, right? This means 2 jumps of 5. 2 jumps of 5 gives 10, right? We reached at 10. So you will be very careful while counting. Don't miss any number in between. Always start from 0. So this is how you can multiply 2 numbers using a number line. I'll tell you one more thing. Here we have 5 into 2, and if we will have 2 into 5, that means if you have to find out 2 multiplied 5, you all know that 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are is also 10. But the number line will always be different, because here 5 steps and 2 were the number of jumps. But now here 2 is the steps and 5 is the number of jumps. So let's draw the number line. So here what we have to do, again we have to start from 0, but how many steps we have to take? We have to take 2 steps, right? So let's count 1 and 2. So from 0 we'll reach 2. Then how many jumps we need? We need 5 jumps. So let's take 5 jumps. So this was the first jump. Again 1 and 2. This was the second jump. 1, 2. This was the third jump. 1, 2. This was the fourth jump. And 1, 2. This was the fifth jump. So here we reached 10 again. But as you can see, both the number lines are different because the number which comes first are the steps which we have to take, and the number which comes second are the number of jumps, the how many jumps we have to take. I hope you got this, and now you can do this on your own. You can use the multiplication table also to find out the answers. Like if you can count 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, or 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. So you will be very careful while counting. You should not miss any number. Always begins with 0. Okay. So draw your own number line now and take out the different numbers and try multiplying them and see what answer will you get. Also cross verify your answers with the multiplication table to check whether you have actually got it correct. Okay. Now you have to take out your book at page number 71. You can see multiplication on number line. So you have to practice this on your book and your notebook also, and you can find out take out some more numbers to practice it more. Okay. So I hope you got the topic. Thank you for watching and keep learning.